Intro. Are you looking to build a PC on a budget? Look no further. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to build a budget-friendly custom gaming PC from scratch. Main content. First things first, let's gather all the components you'll need for your gaming PC build. Make sure to choose parts that are compatible with each other to ensure a smooth build process. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard. Be sure to handle the CPU with care and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Next, install the RAM modules into the motherboard. Ensure that the RAM is securely in place before moving on to the next step. Now, it's time to install the GPU onto the motherboard. Make sure to connect any necessary power cables to the GPU for it to function properly. Moving on to the storage, install the SSD or HDD into the appropriate slots on the motherboard. This will be where you store your games and other files. Connect the power supply unit to the motherboard, ensuring that all necessary power cables are plugged in securely. Finally, it's time to connect all the necessary cables, such as the HDMI cable, USB cables, and any other peripherals you may have. Outro. And there you have it. You've just successfully built your own budget-friendly custom gaming PC. Feel free to customize your build further with LED lights, additional cooling, or any other features you desire. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.